Welcome, everyone, is a OnePlus Nord, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. So to get started, simply pull down the notification panel and find the battery saver toggle and tap on it. Now when you tap on it, it gives you a brief message that turn on power saving mode. Battery saver turns off or restricts background activity, some visual effects and other high power features to extend battery life. So as you can see, it will limit some parts of the device. So tap on turn on, and from there it basically becomes turn on. As you can see, the brightness is gradually dropping down. I believe it stops at like 70% max brightness. So even though it's maxed out right here, the max brightness now is set to 70. And apart from that, once you lock the device, it will most likely disconnect from like Wi-Fi's and mobile data, just so it preserves battery when you're not really using the device. And in turn, this will cause your notifications that are relying on internet connection to be delivered to you once you actually interact with the device. And also, as you've seen there, with this mode enabled, it shows me that my battery life right now is 1 day, 2 hours and 22 minutes with the current 48% battery. So that is how you would enable it. And once you're done with it, make sure you turn it off to go back to the normal functioning of the device. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.